Hey everyone! Today, we're reviewing JoySpring Pixie Sticks, a natural supplement for kids that claim to promote calmness, reduce stress, and support focus. We've tested it with kids in real daily settings to see if it really helps. The Pixie Sticks are powdered, easy to take supplements with ingredients like chamomile, passion flower, and magnesium. After consistent use, we noticed kids seemed calmer during stressful moments. Bedtime routines were smoother and tantrums felt less intense. It wasn't a knockout change, but the difference was noticeable. The pros are that it's child-friendly, tastes sweet so kids actually take it, and it avoids artificial fillers. The cons are that the calming effect is mild. It's not a miracle solution. It's a bit pricey for what you get, and results vary depending on the child. Overall, JoySpring's Pixie Sticks feel like a helpful tool for parents. This has been how to learn to be keeping smart and simple and scam-free.